Welcome to my channel. So today we want to quickly complete our BOK task for the day. So today is Saturday, and as you already know, we get 5 tasks to complete every day, and that 5 tasks is equivalent to 500 naira for the package I signed up with. Some other packages get more than that. Let me show you the packages. So let's say you sign up as K1, you're going to be getting 5 tasks every day. If you sign up as K2, you'll be getting 10 tasks every day. That means you'll be making 8,000 naira every day. If you sign up as K3, you'll be getting 20 tasks every day. That's 2,000 naira, because one task is 100 naira. Okay, no, sorry. Now, if you sign up as K1, one task is 100 naira, 5 tasks every day. If you sign up as K2, 10 tasks every day, one task is 130 naira. If you sign up as K3, 20 tasks every day, and each task is 240 naira. If you sign up as K4, 30 tasks every day, and each task is 400 naira. If you sign up as K5, 50 tasks every day, and each task is 480 naira. If you sign up as K6, 80 tasks every day, and each task is 600 naira. If you sign up as K7, 120 tasks every day, and each task is 1,000 naira. Can you do that math? That's 120k every day. If you sign up as K8, 180 tasks every day, and each task is 1,800 naira. If you sign up as K9, 240 tasks every day, and each task is 2,700 naira. So let's do the maths. 2,700 times 240, that's 648,000 naira every day. That is 240 tasks multiplied by 2,700. That is 648,000 naira every day on BOK. Damn, it's massive. Now, what is the sign-up fee for K9? What's the sign-up fee for K9? I'm going to show you this is my referral. Let's go to profit. So K9, that is the price is 15,552,000. 15,552,000 to be earning 648,000 every day. How long will it take you to make 15 million? Now let's say the task comes consistently for 6 days in a week. That is Monday to Saturday. There is no task on Sunday. So 648,000 times 6, that is 3.88 million. 3.88 million times 4. That means within a month you will make your 15 million back if the task comes consistently every day. Now let's go back to what I was about to show you. So let's go back to home, and this is starting now. So let me check the task. So I have 5 tasks of this. When we say task, these are books I'm supposed to read. They are novels. I'm just supposed to read it for a minimum of 20 seconds. So let's start. So you can see Chimera, a Jim Chapel mission. Jim Chapel. Why is that relevant? Chapel asks, because the name of the girl was Christiana Smollett. in transit April 12. Holy shit. Capper said he wasn't a big fan of pointless vulgarity, but this situation seemed to warrant it. That's no coincidence. So I've completed this task. I can click on submit while I go for the next task. So this is Cultivation Online by Jai Chung, chapter 856. Honestly, I don't think there's anything we can do besides hope for the best. Feng Yishang shrugged. Now, 20 seconds is elapsed. I can come back to continue the reading. They are interesting stories. Then I submit. I go to the next and I read. Mecca breaks the world. Morofang wants to accept disciples. Chapter 766. Morofang wants to accept disciples. Finally, Hong Bin said that he was lucky to have encountered a big brown bear, and after following it for a long time, he finally discovered Cheng Feng. Everything was so bizarre and incredible. 20 seconds completed. I can click on submit. If I want to continue to read, on my choice. Now I go to this airport, page 13, airport. Captain Veron Demrest stood back from the cupboard door he had opened and emitted a long, low whistle. He was still in the kitchen of Gwen Millian's apartment on Stewardess Row. 20 seconds completed. Now I can submit. Now let me read the last novel. Airport. Okay. Chapter 5. Spark. As he anticipated, dumping PE into a main part was extremely beneficial and seemed to be right play rather than unlocking multiple parts without focusing on just one. Okay, 20 seconds completed. I can click on submit. Now, once I complete this task, I can go to audit to check. My task has still been audited. I can go to completed. It will appear here. Now let's go back to home where the summary is shown to us. So here it shows today's earning 100 naira, balance 0. Okay, now let me refresh. Let's check again. As they continue the audit, the amount will increase. You can see today's earning 200 balance. Okay, I have 3 more to be audited. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Let me refresh. So let's see. That means 3 of my novels have been audited successfully. Let's refresh again. Still 3. Let's check. 2 are pending. Okay. £400 made, and if you check here, you can see that it has been transferred to my balance. Now I have 400 naira. Let's go and check. Just have 1 to be audited. So let's refresh and let us check again. Okay, still 400. Let's wait for a few more seconds. Just a few more seconds, and everything will be ready. So let's check again. Also, so today's earning 500. That means 5 novels or books that I just read has been audited to be successful. That means it meets the 20 seconds minimum requirement for each of the novels. Then it has been transferred to my balance. So my balance now is 400 Naira. Okay, so when we come back, say that today's task has been completed. Today's task have completed. So 500 over 5 is complete now. Let's go to withdrawal. How much is the minimum I can withdraw? 1005 is the minimum I can withdraw. So if I click on this, handling fee 150, my balance is 500, so I can't withdraw. I have to wait till maybe like on Monday for me to do a withdrawal, or maybe on Wednesday. But I think withdrawals for K1 category is always on Friday. So let's say between now and next week Friday, if I get task on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, that's 25 plus today's 500, that's 3,000. So by next week Friday, I'm going to be withdrawing another 3,000. That makes it a total of 6,000 I've withdrawn within 2 weeks of joining. So that is 6 buck for you. And if you are interested, here is the link to join. Find the link in the comment section and video description, and this same number is my WhatsApp number. All you just need to do is add +234, then the whole number. You can chat with me directly on WhatsApp. So this is 6 buck review, and so far everything is working fine on the platform. No issues, no worry. All we do is to read books, read novels, and get paid. You also get a 30% bonus on referrals. So if you are highly influential and you know you can bring more people to the platform, that is 30% commission for you. So that will be all, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm still going to bring more review for you about 6 buck. Till I come your way again in a subsequent video, keep on winning and keep staying safe. Bye for now.